Reg, thank you. Tonight, some neighbors in Matthews are questioning whether more needs to be done to prevent flooding. Cell phone video shows floodwaters rushing through a yard on Dunraven Court last night. Water in the area got so high it filled some people's basements. You can see the debris lines on the back of one of those homes.
The homeowners association and the city needs to evaluate the drainage dishes and just make sure that they're adequate to handle the substantial amount of water that they're receiving.
Last night's flooding also knocked over some playground equipment.